Beijing Daxing International Airport. Beijing Daxing International Airport, opened on September 25, 2019, by President Xi Jinping, is one of the world's most impressive airports. Located on the border of Beijing and Langfang in Hebei province, it is nicknamed the Starfish because of its unique star-shaped design. Built to ease congestion at Beijing's older airport, Daxing serves as a second international hub for the city and meets the growing demand for air travel in China. The airport can handle up to 100 million passengers and 2 million tons of cargo every year. It has 4 runways and a huge terminal covering 700,000 square meters, designed so passengers can reach any gate within just 8 minutes. Modern technology makes traveling easier with facial recognition, self-service check-in kiosks, and automated baggage systems, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. Daxing's design is not only efficient, but also visually stunning, making it a landmark for Beijing and a symbol of China's innovation in infrastructure. The airport blends scale, technology, and convenience, setting new standards for airports worldwide. Bombardier EcoJet. The Bombardier EcoJet is a groundbreaking aircraft that is changing the way we think about sustainable aviation. Designed with the planet in mind, it reduces greenhouse gas emissions and noise pollution while still providing a luxurious and comfortable flying experience. Its advanced hybrid electric propulsion system, combined with sleek aerodynamics and eco-friendly materials, makes the EcoJet both innovative and environmentally responsible. Passengers enjoy a spacious cabin, smooth flight, and long-range capability, all while knowing their journey is more sustainable, with CO2 emissions reduced by up to 50% compared to similar aircraft. The EcoJet shows that air travel doesn't have to harm the planet and proves that technology and sustainability can go hand in hand. This aircraft is ideal for travelers who want to combine comfort, efficiency, and eco-consciousness. China Future Stadium. The China Future Stadium, called the ZN International Football Center, is an exciting new project that blends China's rich history with modern innovation. While most people today think of football as a sport dominated by Europe or Brazil, its true origins go back more than 2,300 years to China, where a game called Cuju was played by nobles, athletes, and even emperors. In 2004, FIFA officially recognized Cuju as the earliest form of football, making China the birthplace of the game. Now, this heritage is being honored with a state-of-the-art stadium unlike anything seen before. Designed with a mix of traditional Chinese architectural style and futuristic parametric design, the structure looks almost like something from outer space. Scheduled for completion in 2023, the stadium will be ready to host the AFC Asian Cup. Expo 2025, Osaka. Expo 2025 Osaka will be one of the biggest global events of the decade, bringing together culture, technology, and sustainability in a 6-month celebration. Organized by the Bureau International des Expositions, BIE, it will take place in Osaka, Japan, from April 13 to October 13, 2025. This will be the 3rd time Osaka has hosted a World Expo, following the successful events in 1970 and 1990. The venue is set on Yumeshima, a 155-hectare artificial island in Osaka Bay, which is being transformed into a model of the future. The site will focus on renewable energy, smart transportation, and green building, creating an inspiring example of sustainable living. More than 28 million visitors are expected to attend, including over 6 million international guests, making it a truly global experience. Expo 2025 will allow Japan to showcase its rich culture, creativity, and cutting-edge technology to the world, while also promoting international cooperation and solutions for a sustainable future. More than just an exhibition, it will be a platform where nations come together to share ideas, discover innovations, and create hope for the next generation. Expo 2025 Osaka promises to be an unforgettable journey into the future. GAC Barchetta Concept. The GAC Barchetta is a bold and futuristic electric sports car concept from GAC Design Studio, redefining what minimalism can mean in a vehicle. The designers took a daring approach, even removing the windshield, giving the car a sleek and smooth appearance that almost looks like a shiny table when parked. The wheels are eye-catching, with hollowed interiors and triangular steel bars, creating a sculptural, futuristic look. Inspired by classic Italian car design, while adding GIAC's own unique touches, the Barchetta combines elegance with innovation. This concept is the first in GIAC's car culture series, highlighting the studio's vision for the future of electric vehicles. GIAC Design Studio, located in Milan's design district on Via Tortona, aims to push the limits of automotive design. Gulfstream G400. The Gulfstream G400 is a modern, twin-engine business jet designed to combine luxury, comfort, and high performance in the large cabin category of private aviation. Its cabin stretches 26.3 meters, 86.3 feet, offering a spacious and elegant interior that's perfect for business travelers or anyone seeking a premium flying experience. Though it is Gulfstream's smallest new launch after the G280, the G400 still delivers the brand's signature quality, with advanced avionics, sleek design, and long-range capability. Currently, the aircraft is undergoing flight testing and certification, with production expected to start in 2025, once all safety and regulatory requirements are met. The G400 will compete with other large cabin jets, such as the Dassault Falcon 2000 series. Mars by Lens Architects. Mars by Lens Architects presents an incredible vision of how humanity could begin building cities on the red planet within the next 50 years. Life on Mars will bring unique challenges, from extreme weather and radiation to difficult landscapes, which means the architecture will be very different from what we know on Earth. One of the most important goals for architects and scientists will be to rely on local Martian resources, reducing the need to transport materials from Earth. The natural shape and relief of Mars will also play a huge role, as buildings will need to merge with the environment to provide safety and stability. To explore this future, Lens Architects formed a scientific team that spent months studying the terrain, running physical calculations, and creating 3D design simulations. Artificial intelligence is now helping bring these ideas to life by generating futuristic concepts of Martian architecture. Meandering Valleys. Meandering Valleys is a stunning new cultural center coming to Xi'an, China, designed to flow like a river through the city. The project, created by award-winning architects, will be located in the Jingganu City Technology Hub, north of Xi'an, and will even stretch across an 8-lane motorway. Its design draws inspiration from the winding valleys of the Los Plateau that surround the city, giving the building a natural, organic feel. The center will include a variety of cultural and recreational spaces, such as a theater, concert hall, museum, and library, all connected through a series of flowing volumes. At the heart of the complex will be a large open courtyard, inviting people to gather, socialize, and enjoy outdoor performances or events. This central space will make the center a vibrant hub for the community rather than just a building. Miroslav Naskov, Mind Design. Mind Design by Miroslav Naskov is an exciting new approach to learning that turns education into an interactive adventure. Instead of just sitting and listening, students actively participate, explore, and discover, unlocking their full potential while preparing for a fast-changing world. The program takes students on a captivating journey, introducing them to stunning design pieces, fascinating facts about the world, and surprising elements that spark curiosity and make learning fun. Students are at the center of the process, making choices that shape their experiences and even influence their own growth. This hands-on approach builds confidence, a sense of ownership, and the ability to navigate challenges with independence. Play and experimentation are key, giving learners the freedom to explore, test ideas, and make discoveries on their own. Every interaction becomes a learning opportunity, combining imagination, creativity, and knowledge in a natural way. Nike RTFKT CryptoKicks IRL Nike and RTFKT Studios have created an exciting new sneaker collection that brings the digital world of NFTs into reality. RTFKT, a Web3 company known for digital avatars and metaverse collectibles, was recently acquired by Nike, and together they launched the CryptoKicks IRL. These sneakers turn RTFKT's signature NFT designs into real wearable shoes, blending futuristic style with cutting-edge technology. The CryptoKicks IRL are the first native Web3 sneakers, combining decades of Nike's sneaker expertise with RTFKT's vision to connect the digital and physical worlds. Each pair is inspired by unique digital designs, allowing fans and collectors to own a piece of both fashion and technology. This collaboration pushes the limits of sneaker culture, offering something completely new for those who love innovation and creativity. The collection shows how the metaverse can influence real-world products, merging digital art with tangible fashion in a way never seen before. Odessa Expo 2030. Odessa Expo 2030 is a vision of the future where culture, innovation, and sustainability meet on one global stage. Presented at the 171st General Assembly of the Bureau of International Expositions in Paris, this proposal highlights Odessa as a city with deep history, worldwide connections, and a multicultural spirit. Known for its diversity and openness, Odessa has always been a meeting point for different nations and traditions. In 2030, it plans to welcome the world to an expo that celebrates not just Ukraine, but the shared potential of humanity. The master plan, created by Zahadeep Architects, is built around eco-friendly ideas, energy efficiency, and low-carbon technologies, reflecting the country's path toward a greener future. A major goal of the project is to ensure all the facilities built for the event will be reused after the expo, addressing one of the biggest challenges global exhibitions face. PAL V Liberty. The PAL V Liberty is an extraordinary flying car that combines the freedom of the road with the thrill of the sky. With its rotating wings and dual-mode design, it can switch seamlessly from driving on streets to flying above traffic, allowing you to travel anywhere, anytime. This revolutionary vehicle is designed with safety in mind, featuring advanced weather radar, multiple backup systems, and a highly reliable structure, ensuring a secure journey every time. Inside, the Liberty offers a luxurious cabin, blending comfort and cutting-edge technology to make every ride enjoyable and exciting. Whether you're navigating city streets or soaring over landscapes, the PAL V Liberty transforms ordinary travel into an adventure. It opens new possibilities for exploration, letting you reach remote destinations that were once difficult to access and avoid long traffic delays with ease. More than just a car or an aircraft, the Liberty represents a bold vision of personal transportation, merging automotive innovation with aviation technology in a futuristic, practical way. Perfect for adventure lovers, innovators, and thrill seekers, it redefines mobility by turning travel into an unforgettable experience. Pangios Teriac Floating City. Pangios Teriac is a groundbreaking concept for a floating city, designed by Pier Paolo Lazzarini that reimagines how we could live at sea. Inspired by the ancient supercontinent Pangaea, the city is enormous, 550 meters long and 610 meters wide, making it roughly twice the size of the Roman Colosseum. This futuristic metropolis is designed to host up to 60,000 people and includes everything a modern city needs, such as hotels, shopping centers, parks, and ports for ships and aircraft. The turtle-shaped structure combines advanced technology and sustainable design, using solar and wind energy to power its operations. Pangios Teriac is not just a floating building, it is a fully functioning mobile city that could move across the ocean while providing comfort, convenience, and entertainment to its residents and visitors. Rimac Skeleton Vision 2080. The Rimac Skeleton Vision 2080 is a stunning concept car that imagines the future of transportation over 50 years from now. Designed by Max Schneider, the Skeleton concept combines cutting-edge technology with futuristic design to create a car that feels almost alive. Its sleek, aerodynamic body is made from carbon nanotube graphene, giving it a high-tech, futuristic look, while the 3D printed chassis made from titanium graphite provides strength, structure, and a lightweight feel. Ringhouse Morpha Ringhouse. Morpha is a visionary concept for a futuristic and eco-friendly home that offers a truly unique living experience. The building is shaped like a giant ring, supported by two mountains, and rises gracefully above a flowing river, blending seamlessly with its natural surroundings. One of its most striking features is a circular pool on the upper floor with a transparent bottom, allowing residents to see the river and lush vegetation below. Sustainability is at the heart of the design, with solar panels providing clean energy, rainwater collected for irrigation, and a green roof that helps cool the building and improve air quality. Every aspect of the house is carefully designed to minimize environmental impact while offering comfort and beauty. Beyond its innovative design, Ringhouse Morpha represents a new vision for how architecture can harmonize with nature, creating a home that is both modern and sustainable. Sirius Business Jet. The Sirius Business Jet is the ultimate in luxury air travel, designed to make every journey comfortable, efficient, and unforgettable. Its spacious cabin is filled with plush seating, elegant wood accents, and gourmet catering, giving passengers a truly premium experience. Advanced avionics ensure smooth, safe flights, while powerful, optimized engines deliver efficient performance and lower emissions. With the ability to fly up to 5,000 nautical miles non-stop, it allows you to reach distant destinations quickly and in style. The interior is fully customizable, so passengers can choose seating layouts, entertainment options, and personalized amenities to suit their needs, whether traveling for business or leisure.